Hello everyone! How are you today guys? Ayan ang buhok natin guys. Tinalian ko kahit basa pa. Oh, it feels good guys. Kain tayo. Magkape tayo guys kasi nagutom na. Ayan ang update natin. Kain. It looks guys, same to my t-shirt. The color. All colors. Ba? So, kumusta kayo? Kumusta ang araw niyo dyan? I hope your morning is great. You have a nice day morning and a great day. Kapit na guys. Maraming pinagsasabi. Kain. Init pa ang kape ko guys. Yummy. Tamang-tama ang init guys. Kain tayo. Tapos magkain pa ng rice guys. Gusto ko yung feel satisfied ba guys, no? Hindi yung parang gutom ka pa man gusto magkain. You know lang how to minimize guys, di ba? Kailangan kunti na lang ang rice. Nakapagkain naman tayo ng bread guys. Diba? Sweet. Ang partner ng kape ko guys is sweet. May mga palaman. Cheers, let's have drink together. Lami kayo guys. Kain. Mga partner ng ano ko guys. It's all sweet. So yun lang ang update ko guys. I hope you have a nice day everyone and a great day ahead. And a great day morning. And keep safe palagi guys. Have a nice day. Bye. See you next again. God bless.